All right, so we are going to start off our lesson today with our dollar bills, just practicing how to count with those dollar bills. So remember, guys, we have 20s, we have 5s, we have 10s, and 1s. 20s, we count by 20s. 20, 40, 60, 80. Okay? So I told you, think about it as 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. All right? Then we have our 10s. Of course, we know how to count by 10s when we do dimes. We count by 10s with dimes. Same thing with the $10 bill. It's like you're counting by tens. Next, we have our 5s. Just like the nickel, when we count by 5s, the $5 bill, you count by 5s. And then we know our $1 bill, we count by 1s. Just like the penny, we count by 1. So we'll start off pretty simple with our first amounts that we'll do. Okay, so listen, guys. The first thing that you need, okay, so if I'm asking you to give me $6, that's not what I'm asking. Okay, first thing is, you may not want to grab a 10. That's bigger than 6, right? You're going to start with smaller bills. If I'm asking you for $6, grabbing a 10, that's already more than 6. So you probably would need to go less than 6 and figure out your way to 6. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because last time we counted, we were grabbing bills that were way larger than what I was asking for when you didn't even need that bill. If I'm asking for $14, you don't need a 20, right? That's more. So you don't want to go above. You don't want to get bills that are higher than the number I'm asking for. You want to start with the bills that are less and work with those bills to get the amount that I'm asking for. You understand what I'm saying? Okay. So let's start with our first amount. Let's do $8. Fine. Make $8. Make $8. What? Okay, I'm coming. Hold on.
Got it.
Well, you first told me which one to be. The 4 going to be Y. You gotta have a reason why you want to do that.
Also,
Like when I wanted to become a teacher, I had a reason why. 4. Let's say 4. Nah, I don't. If you say you want to be something, then you should be able to tell me why.
in my class,
All right, let's see your 8s. Okay. All right. That's 7. That's 3. Are you missing a bill?
7, 8.
Okay, I see it now. 8. Good. Let's see, Asa. 5, 6, 7. Okay. Good. So what did I need? I needed a 5 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. So guys, if you went for a 10, that's too much. All right, let's do another one.
I did 5.
I didn't say you didn't do that. You were saying that. Okay, next amount. Let's do $17. So guys, a 5 might be too small. You can get it with 5s. You can, but probably go to a 10 and then figure out the rest. So you got a 10 and then you need the rest to get to 17. So it's important to count as you're doing it. Count. All right, let's see what we have. Okay, yep, that was another way we can do it. Okay, good. So there were 2 ways we could get. Okay, good. We could have get 17. So we could have done a 10, 5, that's 15. 2 1s make 17. We also could have do 3 5s, 5, 10, 15, and then 2 1s, 16, 17. Either way was fine. Good job. All right, go ahead and put your money back. Let's do another one.
I did 1 way.
Let's do. We're gonna go a little higher. We're gonna go higher each time. Let's do $24. 24. That's actually not that complicated.
I might get
24. 24 bucks. $24.
I might get a 20. Too hot. That's nice. Oh, I need a 20. Really? And then finish off with my ones.
Okay, well then, yeah.
Do it. Oh. 21, 22, 23. Got mine. 24. Oh, got mine. 24. Miss Judith, I use all my ones, but not my tens. I use a 20 and I did a 20 and I used all my dollars, baby. No, you didn't. I just got a little bit more. I got 2 tens and 1 20. 23. People using my money. 23. Guess what? I'm rich. 24. I used 20. I know how much ones I used. I used 1, 2. Oh my gosh. I got 3 waves.
Okay, let's see what we have. Okay, yep. Yep. Good. Asa, okay. Good. So that's pretty easy, guys, because all we needed was a 20, 4 ones. Okay, yep. Michael did a 10, 2 5s, and 4 1s. That's another way to get it.
That was easy. I did something.
Okay, all right, good. 24. All right, let's do one more.
Oh my God.
We're gonna go higher. Let's do.
Oh.
So remember, your 20s. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. It's like you're counting by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's do $62.
Okay. Oh.
$62.
20. I did 20. Then I'll keep going to 60. Really? 20, 61, 62. Mom, 62. I used the 20.
Okay, you don't have to announce it to the whole class. That's 22. That's not 62.
Huh? That's 20. That's 22. Then 22. Oh, I need to finish it all. 62. 22. Really? Really? You have to do that? No, wait. Okay. Where is it? 40. Where am I other? You know, another 20. Got it. 2 20s. Check it. 3 20s. Those are mine. Look if you have 3 20. Yes. I'll go for it.
Why are you talking about that? That was yesterday's party. Today's my girl.
No, you were supposed to have
Yeah, but how much time was it?
20. No. How many 20s are you supposed to have? Huh? 4. No, it wasn't that much. How many 20s supposed to have?
I don't know.
We're supposed to have.
But we're not asking you. Thank you. All right, let's go ahead and look at it.
I don't have my other 20. Somebody took it.
No, your initials are on the back. So that's why I had told you to write your initials. So no, you misplaced it. No one took it. You misplaced it. Okay. Okay, good. I see a few have it. You have it, Asa? 62.
I don't know I know. You took Michael's 20. Because he only has 2. You have 4.
What did I sit down? Okay, thank you. Okay. All right. So guys, for 62, it should have been 3 20s, 20, 40, 60, and then $2. 2.
Yeah,
1, 2.
that's what it is.
All right, good. All right, so that was how we made $62. Good.
I did.
All right, let's go ahead and cover a couple of things on the board, and we'll move on to our writing lesson.
I'm peeing my dollars. Oh, wait, my bag. Huh? My bag. My bag. Huh? My bag. You
Okay, put your things away with your bag, please. With your bag, not someone else's bags.
my bag.
Did I just say that to class? Did I say that to everybody to do that?
No.
Put your name on your bags. But why somebody asking me that? Exactly. No reason why.
Who's the person in my phone? This is mine. Wait a minute.
Okay, Beyonce, are you serious right now? And so all three of y'all are doing what I just said not to do. No recess. What did I just say not to do? To do what? What did he ask me to do? And what did I say? So they still sat there and did it anyway.
She said they already have. Oh no. I didn't hear. They already didn't have recess. She told me to remind that they didn't have recess. They already have recess. They have. So they have to stay all the way inside, and they can't come at all. She must have not laughed. Miss Williams, they already didn't even have recess.
You're right. I forgot about that. All right, let's go ahead and cover some things on the board. See, we're following. All right, let's cover a couple of things on the board. Okay, so let's go ahead. We've been learning how to add three numbers. We have steps that we have to follow when it comes to adding three numbers up.
Hold on.
Okay. All right, so we have 5 plus 4 plus 2. Can someone walk me on how to add this up? Okay, Braylee, how do we add it? Okay, we connect 5 plus 4. What does that equal? 9. Good. Okay, we cross that out. What do we do next? 9 plus 2, and it equals 11. 5 plus 4 plus 2 is 11. Next one, we have 6 plus 1 plus 8. Cairo, how do we add it up? And it equals
7.
7. Next, cross it out. What do we do?
7 plus 8. 15.
7 plus 8 is 15. Good. So just remember, guys, that's the steps we have to take when we are adding three numbers. Yes, start with your first two, but don't forget to add that third number as well, in addition to the first two. Okay, let's talk about comparison symbols. Remember, we have less than, which points to the left, greater than to the right, and then our equal. So when it comes to 9, is 9 less than, greater than, or equal to 14? Which one would it be? Less than. So we will put the less than symbol here to show that 9 is less than 14. 8, is it less than, greater than, or equal to 5? Please stop. It is greater, so we put the greater symbol. And then 11, is it less than, less than, greater than, or equal to 11? It is equal. They're the same exact number. When it's the same number, they're equal. No one is greater than the other. Okay. All right. So today we're going to learn how to identify fractional parts of a whole. It's pretty simple. So you'll have a set of something. So in this one, I have a set of circles, right? And as you can see, none of my circles are shaded in, right? And how many circles do I have total? 4. So I'm going to shade in 2 of my circles. 1, 2. Now I have a fraction part that are shaded in. How many do I have shaded in?
2.
And how many do I have again total?
4.
4, not 2. 4 total. So the question is asking me how many out of how many are shaded out of how many total? So again, how many are shaded?
2.
2 out of how many I have total?
4.
4. So this is going to read 2 out of 4 pieces are colored. Is that accurate? Yes. 2 are colored out of 4 total. So when you see this in your book, you have to look at how many are shaded, and then out of means how many total you have together. You understand? Yep. Okay. So if I was shading 3, it would say 3 out of 4 pieces are colored. Good. All right, so that's it for math today, guys. I just wanted to cover a few of those things. Go ahead and get out your letters book. Somebody have not.
No, we did
Yeah.
We did just but no, we did 84. 85.
Which page? 85. All right, so page 85. You can begin. I'll give you a couple of minutes, guys, to work on that. You can begin. Get into writing. Okay, so all calendars have the days of the week at the top, and then your the days, the number of the dates. Sorry. So like the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, the 4th. You understand what I'm saying? Like on a calendar today will be Tuesday, but it's February 28th. So every calendar has the month, the days of the week, the 7 days of the week, and then the actual dates, the number. Okay. So inside of a calendar, you have what's called weeks. The weeks always start on a Sunday and you go down to count the weeks. So 1, 2, 3. So in this particular month on the calendar, May, there are 3 weeks. A week is every Sunday, every block is a week. 1, 2, 3. So if the calendar is asking you to find the second Tuesday, what you would do is you go to Tuesday and you count 2. 1, 2. So the second Tuesday will be the what?
7.
The 7th. If they say find the first Friday, you will go to Friday on the calendar and find the first block, and the first Friday is the what? 3rd. Do y'all kind of see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So that's how you read in calendar based off the week. So on this question, it says, what is the date of the first Monday? So what day do you go to? Monday. And which one is the first Monday? The 6th. So you will put the 6th. That will be the answer, the 6th. So you have to find the date. You go to the date and you find the block. So if it says first, this first one doesn't have anything. So then you go to the next one, which will be the 6th. And that's only because the first starts here. Yeah, see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So then it says, what is the date of the second Friday? So what day do you go to? Friday. And you count how many? 2 down. So 1, 2. Second Friday is the 10th. You understand, Asa? Yeah? Okay. So just in case you run across that, that's what I wanted to go over real quick in regards to the calendar. You can put your math away. Let's go ahead and move on to our writing lesson. All right, so remember this week in writing, we are practicing, we are learning about the seasons, but knowing how to write topic sentences. What I mean by that is you'll have a sentence and you have to have a topic that you have to write about with that sentence. So in particular, we're talking about the seasons, and all the seasons have something special about them. I didn't say this yesterday, but we do not capitalize the names of the seasons. They're not proper nouns, they're common nouns, okay? So we don't have to capitalize the name of the season. So Today I have sentences here and I want you to finish them based off of what we wrote yesterday about each season. So in the winter, we said that it's cold, it snows, right? The plants die, right? We talked about in the spring, plants grow back. It's warm, it's sunny. We said the summer, we're off of school. People take vacations in the summer. It's hot in the summer. Then we talked about in the fall, we return back to school, leaves fall off of the trees, leaves change colors, and it's a lot cooler in the fall. So you're going to finish all of the sentences. I have the line because that's where you finish. So number 1, it says, in the fall. Tell me about something in the fall. Y'all understand what I'm saying? Number 2, this summer, I just said what we do in the summertime. Number 3, plants grow in which season do the plants grow in? And then number 4, in the winter, tell me what happens in the winter. Y'all understand?
Yeah.
Yep. All right, go ahead and begin. Make sure you skip lines between your sentences, guys. All right, let's go ahead and share some of the sentences. So, number 1, in the fall, what you got, Braylee? In the fall, leaves change colors. If you got the same thing, now raise your hand and share the same thing. Cairo?
In the fall, leaves fall off the trees.
In the fall, leaves fall off the trees. Asa? Or you had one of those? Oh, I thought you had put your hand down. Oh, you're on mute?
In fall, leaves fall off the tree.
In the fall, leaves fall off the trees, okay? Yeah, we had that one. That's what Carol said. Okay, you have something different?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. In the fall, I went back to school. Good. Number 2, this summer,
This summer, I'm going to the park.
This summer, I'm going to the park. Okay, Elijah?
This summer, I played.
This summer, I played. Okay. That's what you got too? Oh, go ahead. This summer, I went on vacation. Good. Number 3, plants grow in there's only one way we can answer this. So plants grow in the spring. If you didn't put in spring, that's not the correct season. The season is spring. And number 4, in the winter. Okay, Asa, in the winter.
Plants die.
Plants die. Kendall, in the winter. In the winter, it snowed. In the winter, it is cold. Good. All right, awesome. So, guys, we'll practice some more on tomorrow. Excuse me, with our sentences with seasons. All right, so that's it for our morning Zoom. Asa, I'll see you this afternoon, okay? Bye-bye.